Hello, welcome to Physics 30. My name is Mr. Lau and I'm your teacher for this semester. I just want to give you a video of a walkthrough of our D2L course shell environment. First, you see our announcement, our Welcome to Physics 30 message, and I'm just going to walk you through it right now. On the right is Meet the Teacher. Here you can find my email address for your parents to contact me. For students, you should use the private discussion feature to send me a message. Now, in Physics 30, we sort of meet twice a week. And the first time we meet is what I call a summary class, and that's on Tuesdays at 3 o'clock. And at that time, I'll do a couple of examples, give you some tips of the week. These sessions are optional, but they will be recorded for you to watch later. There is also a second time that we meet, and that's office hours, where I will answer your questions in real time and on one-on-one. Both of these sessions are done through Google Meet with the class code Phys30, and it's you have to be logged in through EDU CBE to access the sessions. There are a bunch of due dates that have been set for the class, and I will go over them in a minute. And very lastly, at the bottom here, you'll sign the Physics 30 datasheet, and that is what we'll be using throughout the course. So speaking of dates, let's look at a checklist where we have a list of Physics 30 due dates. So here is all the assignments and the tasks that you have to do along with the deadlines. Now, this checklist of deadlines is not live, it's not linked to the assignments. So when you actually complete an assignment, you actually have to go back into the checklist and say that you've completed it already. Under the assignment folder, you'll find all the assignments you'll be needing to do this semester. There are 8 assignments for the 8 modules that we're doing. There are 6 labs, and then there are optional lesson notes that you can submit throughout each lesson. Speaking of the lessons, let's go into content. So in content, you'll find our 8 different modules. I strongly encourage you to go through the introductions where you can read the course outline, the overview, and expectations for student engagement in this course. Once you're actually gone through the introductory material, right, you should start the lessons. The very first thing you should do is what I call a motion graph review. It is based on contents in Physics 20, but the skills necessary is very useful in Physics 30. A couple of pages later on, you'll find our first assignment. So our Module 1 assignment is here. You can print off the template in Word or in PDF format. Notice that there are some questions that are recommended or minimally required. Some are recommended and some are optional as well. Go through the assignment in the PDF or in a Word document to see which questions are recommended or required. In this course, you have to submit all your work as PDFs, and the best way I found to create PDFs is through an app called Adobe Scan. It takes a picture from your phone and converts it into a PDF. You can then email that PDF to yourself and then upload that PDF to the assignment folder. And then lastly, there is the quiz function. Within each unit, within each module, there will be a test. So there are 8 different tests. And then for winter 2023, there will also be 2 in-person exams. The first exam covers module 1 to 3, and the second exam covers modules 4 to 6. Module 7 and 8 exam will be done online. And to see when those need to be done, again, you should check through the checklist. So as I mentioned, the module 1 to 3 exam is due or is scheduled for Wednesday, March 22nd, which will be written in the afternoon at CBE Learn. And the module 4 to 6 exam is scheduled for Wednesday, May 17th. And it'll be written in CBE Learn School, probably in the late afternoon as well. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, please send me a private discussion message. parents, guardians, you can send me an email. My email is lhlau@cbe.ab.ca, and I'll make sure to put a link to my email in the description for this video. I look forward to interacting with you and teaching you Physics 30, but for now, off you go to learn.